Workflow at a standstill because of the Vgcore.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. As we prepare to fix Vgcore module manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This DLL file is a core graphics library for CorelDRAW. It contains the foundational routines for vector graphics processing, color management, and font rendering for the Corel Creative software suite. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This issue is commonly caused by a broken or truncated CorelDRAW installation. Reinstall the latest official version of CorelDRAW from the official website to ensure the Vgcore.dll and all related files are correctly replaced. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered the Vgcore module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of the Vgcore.dll, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility reference below includes information related to the Vgcore module synchronization. If this fix repaired the Vgcore module dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.